We're here today on Route 94 near Portland, Missouri, where we're assisting a customer with a 2-layer epoxy polymer bridge deck overlay. Some of the issues commonly faced by contractors revolve around the pump systems that are currently on the market. These pumps can be high maintenance items, have a low rate of output, and don't always provide the proper mixing of the resin systems. Today we're introducing our new epoxy polymer pump system. This system is superior to anything that's on the market today by providing a higher capacity output, 2 to 3 times greater than what's currently available on the market, giving the contractor added efficiency on the job and more dollars in their pocket. It's also a lower maintenance type pump. Has a computer readout that will give the contractor confidence that we're getting consistent ratio of A and B resins at all times and provides consistent quality with no variation. This system assures top quality installations for contractors and, more importantly, for their customers.